The tech world is already buzzing with speculation about the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, despite its expected release being more than a year away. While the Galaxy S25 Ultra has barely hit store shelves, reports have surfaced claiming that its successor will feature a monumental battery upgrade. But how much of this is reality, and how much is mere speculation? Breaking down the battery hype. Last month, Korean media reports suggested that the Galaxy S26 Ultra might boast a battery capacity between 6,000 mAh and 7,000 mAh. If true, this would represent a staggering 20% to 40% increase over the S25 Ultra's 5,000 mAh battery, potentially revolutionizing smartphone longevity. However, not everyone is convinced. Industry leaker at PandaFlash Pro, known for sharing Samsung-related insights, has dismissed these ambitious claims with skepticism. "I'll delete my Twitter account if Samsung gives the Galaxy S26 Ultra a 7,000 mAh or even a 6,000 mAh battery, I bet." In a follow-up statement, @PandaFlash Pro explained that based on information from 5 sources, Samsung's internal testing only indicated a maximum battery capacity of 5,500 mAh, a far cry from the 7,000 mAh speculation. The leaker further speculated that the final version might be even lower, possibly around 5,396 mAh. A reality check: how much battery upgrade is actually possible? Even if we take the leaked figures at face value, a 5,500 mAh battery would still be an improvement over the 5,000 mAh battery in the Galaxy S25 Ultra, a modest yet welcome 10% increase in capacity. Given the efficiency of Samsung's latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipset, this improvement could translate into tangible benefits for power users. The S25 Ultra already demonstrated impressive battery performance, clocking in at 17 hours and 14 minutes in endurance tests. While that fell slightly behind competitors like the iPhone 16 Pro Max, 17 hours, 35 minutes, and OnePlus 13, 19 hours, 45 minutes, it still outperformed the Pixel 9 Pro XL, 12 hours, 54 minutes. If Samsung pairs this upgrade with faster charging speeds, perhaps increasing from 45W to something higher, the Galaxy S26 Ultra could become the top choice for users who demand long-lasting battery life and rapid recharging. Other expected features: what else is coming? Battery life is just one piece of the puzzle. Early rumors suggest that Samsung is planning major enhancements across the board for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Here are some of the most exciting whispers making the rounds. A groundbreaking 324-megapixel main camera. Could this set a new benchmark for smartphone photography? The possible elimination of the hole-punch front camera. Will Samsung finally perfect under-display technology? A return of Exynos chipsets in some regions. After skipping the S25 series due to production issues, could Samsung reintroduce its own processor to select markets? Final thoughts: should you get excited? While some of these details remain unverified, one thing is clear: the Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be an intriguing upgrade. Whether the battery capacity reaches 5,500 mAh or higher, improvements in chip efficiency and charging speeds could still make a noticeable difference in daily usage. If Samsung can successfully deliver an impressive camera, better battery life, and a smarter front camera solution, 2026 might just be the year of the Ultra flagship. Until then, tech enthusiasts will be keeping a close eye on leaks and Samsung's official announcements.